Hello, good morning, good evening. So from coming Thursday, we have the new batch for this Rpa-Uipath. We are going to start this batch from coming Thursday at 7 a.m. IST. It's India morning time. The entire duration of the course is going to take around 2 months. And the session will be it will be Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, definitely we have off. In this particular session, we are going to learn from basic. Everything we are going to learn. You don't need to bother about. We are going to start it from what is RPA, what is variable, what is constant, everything we are going to learn from the basic. After that, we are going to cover everything in the advance. And only learning the technology is not enough. Implementation is required. For that purpose, we are also going to develop the project. So you are going to learn it from the basic. We are going to cover all the topic in the advance. And we are going to work on the project. So it's a real-time training, like it's going to be the project-based training. Now, because I'm taking all these training, especially the online session after the COVID that we started with the online session. So this online session, like I'm getting a lot of questions from the different candidates. So in this particular video, I will try to solve your any doubts or whatever you have regarding this particular course. First of all, this is the online session. Number one. Number two, so many times I'm getting the question like if I'm not from the software background, still we can learn this. Try to understand. My answer is if you can operate the machine, you can work with the Rpa-Uipath. If you have the knowledge of Windows, if you have the knowledge of computer, if you can work something with the Excel, if you can do something with the MS Word, you can be the master of this Rpa-Uipath. Number one. Number two, some of the time people are asking me about the language. Remember, it's not required the language knowledge. If you don't have the prior knowledge of the language like C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, whatever, you don't need to do that. Try to understand. In the background of UiPath, languages are there. In the background I am talking about. What you need to learn, you just need to learn line of code. Like you need to write one line of code, two line of code, that you need to write, and that we are going to learn in the session itself. By default, the language is VB.NET. People are also using the C#. So this is the default language for the .NET. And that you people don't need to worry about. We are going to start, because in your entire session, you are also going to learn about these languages. So if you don't have the background and all, you don't need to worry about all this. The next thing that people are asking me, like how this Rpa-Uipath is. It's like it's going to be simple or it's going to be complex like that. Try to understand. The honest answer is nothing is simple in this world. If you are using the computer, can you tell me like all the functionality of the notepad? Can you tell me like all the functionality of this notepad I am talking about? Easily you can tell me, no, like I know all these things. Believe me, so many things are there, it's hidden from you, you are not aware of that. So nothing is going to be simple. I'm not going to tell you, no, it's going to be simple, you are going to join the session and you are going to get the good result. It's not like that. You are going to join the session, you need to put the efforts, you need to do the practice. After that, definitely, like you are going to be, I'm not saying like you are going to be the master, like no one can be the master within 1 or 2 months. But obviously, what you can do, like if you are going to put some experience in your resume, like you have the 2 years of experience, or you have the 3 year of experience, up to this year of experience you can justify after this entire training. This is my promise. I'm not saying like you are going to be the master. Even I'm not the master of any technology. No one can be. Even the developers of the UiPath, they are not the master. So you are also not going to be the master. But definitely your knowledge, it will be equivalent to like 2 year, 3 year, that much of experience you can justify in the interviews and all. So this level of training will be there. Now, I'm talking about the course content, like what we are going to learn. So we are going to start it from the basic. Basic means what? We are going to learn all the basic activities. Initially, once we start learning, first of all, we need to learn the message box, the input box, we need to learn the assign activity, we need to learn how to apply the if, we need to learn how to apply the for, we need to learn how to apply the while, we need to learn how to apply the case. So all these things we need to learn. These are the basic, these are the alphabets. And here I am going to put everything in the detail. And I'm telling you, might be someone is going to tell me, like, I'm familiar with this message box, it's not required. I'm familiar. Believe me, once you will attend the session, from very first session, you are going to see the difference. In the message box, I'm going to show you the few new things over there. From the first session, you are going to see the difference, what the difference is in this particular training session that I am conducting and the other sessions and all. So from the very first session, you are going to see the difference. Now, after all these basics, lot of things like small exercises will be there. After that, our automation journey will get started. So first of all, we are going to learn about the Excel automation that we are going to start with. And remember, Excel automation is a big thing in the entire UiPath. Even if you have the 5 year of experience, you need to work on the Excel automation. So we are going to learn the entire Excel automation, all the detail, all the typical questions, all the real use case we are going to work. It's not only reading the Excel or writing in Excel. It's not like that. Whatever the genuine exercises are there, what types of problem we are facing in the company, we are going to do that. So we are going to learn about the Excel automation, then we are going to learn about the Word automation, we are going to learn about the PDF automation, we are going to learn about the mail automation. After this, here a lot of things we are going to learn, like we are going to learn about the exception handling, we are going to learn about the debugging, we are going to learn about the debugging, we are going to learn about the exception handling, we are going to learn about the variables and arguments. All these are the basics. We are going to learn about the recording, we are going to learn about the scrapping. All these things we are going to learn. We are going to learn about the web automation, and we are going to learn the modern activity as well as the classic activities. Nothing is going to be left behind. So like, it's my assurance from for you, like you are not going to miss any individual, any single activities and all. Everything will be there, so you don't need to worry about that. See, I'm taking all this training, like especially this UiPath session from last 6-7 years. So you don't need to worry about. I'm taking the training session. I'm working in the companies and all in this Rpa-Uipath only. So you don't need to worry about. You will be in the safe end. After this automation part, it's required one project development. Here we are going to learn about the projects and all. After this, what we are going to learn, we are going to start with the advanced portions of the UiPath. Lot of things are there in the advanced portions that we need to learn. We are going to learn about the RE framework, Robotic Enterprise Framework. We are going to learn about the orchestrator. We are going to learn about the API. We are going to learn about the testing framework. We are going to learn, and again, now the project is also involved over there. Remember, this particular project will be based on all these topics, and this particular project is going to be based on RE framework. And in project development, I'm going to explain the project in front of you. I'm going to develop the project in front of you. And accordingly, you need to repeat the same thing with your machine. After that, lot of other topics are also there. In this small video, it's not possible for me to cover each and everything. Once you will join the demo session, that will be on coming Thursday at 7 a.m. IST. There I'm going to explain each and everything. This is just the short video just for your information. After this entire process, I'm going to give you the interview questions. I'm going to give you some notes. Remember, after every session, you people are going to get the notes. After every session, you are going to get the recording. That recording is for your lifetime. Like, it's not for like 1 month or 2 months. It's going to be your asset. So you are going to get the notes. You are going to get the recording. After the entire session, you are going to get the interview questions. And this is how you need to prepare the things. We have the mock interview session. After maximum of the session, you are going to get some assignments and all. And you need to complete that. Suppose during the practice, you are facing some problem. You can connect with me in the WhatsApp. Sometimes it's happened like people are telling me like, suppose I'm getting the problem, like I'm getting some trouble during the practice. See, sorry. I'm not saying like every time I'm going to be available on the phone. It's not like that. You just need to share the screenshot with me on the WhatsApp. And what I will do, once I will get the time, I will revert you back. And in my off time, we can also connect. That's not a problem. Saturday, Sunday, some of the time we are also going to take some full-time session just to revise all the topics and all. So you people can also join that particular batch. So this is how we are going to proceed for the entire course. See, only commitment that I can give you, like so many times people are asking me a lot of questions, but try to understand knowledge is the important part. If you have the knowledge, see what exactly the company they are looking for. If you can work with the Rpa-Uipath, if your basic is strong, you have the knowledge of the advanced concepts and you can work with the project, it's more than enough. Then the limited questions are there that you just need to respond that in the interviews and all. So this is how we are going to approach for the entire session. Everything is going to be practical based. Every time how I'm going to start with the session, this is how I'm going to start your session. I'm just going to open the notepad. It's not like PowerPoint presentation or I'm going to give you the PDF, just go through with that. It's not like that. Every single topic we are going to learn like this only. Everything I'm going to write in front of you. I'm going to open the UiPath. You are going to do the practice with the UiPath. All these things we are going to do. So coming Thursday, if you are really interested, want to come with this automation, if you want to learn the automation, remember RPA is the integral part of the artificial intelligence. If you are looking for something to happen, if you are looking for some job, if you want to switch in the software, so many times it's happened like people are from the different background, they want to switch in the software and they are looking for some small software. Like see, suppose you want to learn the Java, if you want to learn the .NET, a lot of times you need to spend. But here, honestly, if you are going to spend 2 to 3 months, believe me, after that you can give the interviews and you are going to get the job. Regarding the placements and the job, I'm also going to provide you the reference. But definitely you also need to go through with the multiple websites and all. You also try with the multiple job portals. I'm also going to provide you the reference and all in the different companies. That depends like at the time, like the requirements and everything. But because I cannot give you the guarantee like at that particular time the company having the requirements for you. It's not like that. So I'm not like 100% about that. But regarding the knowledge, it's 100% from my side. Now, once you are in the job and now you are getting like you are having some trouble, you are going to get the job support from my side. If you want like Santosh, you need to work on my project, I'm going to work on your project. Definitely, like job support is the different thing. Like there you need to pay the different much of amounts and all that. We will discuss later on. But definitely for you people, like if you are going to ask me small dots, you are going to ask me small questions and all, it's going to be free. You don't need to pay anything. But suppose I need to spend 1 month on your project, then definitely you need to pay some amount for that. But for the support, if I am talking about, you are going to get it free from my side, and it's a lifetime. You don't need to worry about. See, I am taking the session from so many times I am taking all these session, and people are connected with me in that way only. I'm just showing you like how many, like, see, these are the different batches that I'm conducting for the UiPath. Yeah, it's for the UiPath. See, all these batches, either it's passed out 2 year back or 3 year back, or it's a running batch. All these batches are basically for the UiPath. All these batches are basically for the UiPath. So you don't need to worry about. I'm not going to do any R&D with you. No, it's not going to run, or it's not like that. So once you are going to join the session, definitely you people are going to enjoy. From my side, you are going to get the 3 demo session. From my side, you are going to get the 3 demo session. In 3 demo session, you don't need to pay anything. You just spend your time, and once you feel comfortable, like everything is going smoothly, then definitely you need to pay the fee. And my fee is also, it's not high. It's a nominal amount that I am charging from last 5 years. So once you will join in the session, I will discuss with you what fee you people need to pay. Thank you so much. All the links and everything is there in the post. In the description, I am also going to, of this videos, I am also going to put the links so you can join the group and all. If you want to discuss with me, so WhatsApp number will be there. You can connect and we can discuss about that. Thank you so much.